In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively utilize the web platform Perplexity AI to answer your coding questions. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your journey in coding, getting swift and accurate help can make a significant difference. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your browser of choice. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other you prefer using. Once your browser is up and running, type in the URL bar Perplexity AI and hit enter. This action takes you to the homepage of Perplexity AI, where vast resources are just waiting to be explored. Now, if you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, take a moment to create one. Having an account allows you to save your personalized settings and revisit your past interactions. Once you're logged in, draw your attention to the search box. This is where the magic begins. Now, clearly type in your coding question. For example, maybe you're struggling with reversing a string in Python. So, type that in exactly, how to reverse a string in Python. Clarity is key here because the clearer your question, the better the AI can address it. After typing your question, hit enter. This prompts the AI to get to work, analyzing your query and pulling together a cohesive explanation and sample code. It's almost like having a tutor at your fingertips, promptly offering guidance and solutions to your problems. When your answer pops up, take a moment to review it thoroughly. Should you want to dive deeper into any specific piece of information, you'll find clickable citations accompanying the response. These links lead you directly to source materials or documentation, offering you further context and understanding, especially if you wish to validate or learn more about specific details. With the explanation and code at your disposal, it's time to put theory into practice. Copy the code provided by the AI and paste it into your code editor. Whether you're using VS Code, PyCharm, or another editor, testing the code yourself is crucial. This step allows you to see the code's functionality firsthand and make any additional changes if needed. At times, you might find the initial explanation or code needs a bit of tweaking to fit your particular needs. Perplexity AI is equipped to help there too. Using follow-up prompts, you can ask it to refine the code. For example, you might want it optimized for speed or perhaps annotated for better understanding by beginners. Lastly, any solutions or explanations you find particularly helpful can be saved in the platform's Spaces feature or noted down elsewhere. This ensures that these valuable insights are just a few clicks away whenever you need them again. And there you have it. A clear, straightforward way to harness the power of Perplexity AI for all your coding inquiries. I hope this video helps you navigate your coding challenges with confidence and ease. Happy coding!